Mason. Look at their tongue. Mason, stop killing all our patients.
I didn't kill one.
I hope you're not new to... I am new to this.
That's not anomaly. They're good.
They are anomaly. They're anomaly. I'm an Why does it say Hudders? It says Hudder.
I only have 125 Robux.
I have 1 Robux. Buy the gun.
No.
Hello.
Let's see if he's anomaly.
They look normal to me.
Nope, that's anomaly.
No, it isn't.
Look at it.
They're normal. They want some coffee. They want some coffee.
Why does he look so broken online?
Mason, is the only time you ever played this game that one is when, like, this time and the other one?
Are you still recording?
Oh, yeah. I made a new one.
That fast?
Yeah, you can just press the button and then it's gonna be on.
It's Jaskin anyways.
We have a patient. Anyways, I can't believe you killed our patient. Oh, Mason, come here. Come here. Come here. Why do you always keep doing that? Do you ever know when to, like, not go into the anomaly circle thingy? Square? No, don't feed them.
Okay, I'm sorry.
They're Canadian. Wait, no, don't give them that. They gave them. We gotta give them special treatment.
The anomalies would be scared of me.
I'm not scared of the anomalies. They're scared of you. Stop T-posing. Stop T-posing. Wait, go like this.
What you do?
No.
Oh, you actually are T-posing.
Yeah, and when you do it, you're T-posing.
Imagine if there's a monster right there, I'm gay.
Look, this is a cool tip. You gotta give them coffee.
If there's a monster right there, I'm gay.
Boo! I'm stalker. I'm black. No, this is my coffee.
Hey, yo.
The doctor's
No,
here.
I need more coffee.
Oh yeah. What are you doing? Go away.
So she been there the whole time?
I don't know.
Where'd you go? Are you gooning?
Go check out the shop.
Whoa.
Go check out the shop. I'm so scary. I only have $14. I cannot.
I have 15.
Mason, how are we supposed to do this? Do you have your coffee?
Hey, yo, move!
Mason, do you have your coffee? Feed them a coffee. What do you have?
Wanna fight, huh?
Did you feed them coffee?
It's broken.
Barty! Mason, you're so stupid!
I'm gonna reject him.
Don't.
Oh,
Don't!
oopsie.
Bro! Do you have your coffee? Feed him. Don't feed him that! Mason, are you that stupid?
No.
We gotta wait. Barney, are you okay if you wait 50 seconds?
I only have 30% sanity.
Ha ha! I have 62.
Yeah, because you're gay.
Hey. I'm a big kid now. Barney, let's take your photo. You seem normal.
Let me see.
Tong, 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 sound.
Doesn't seem normal to me. Bonnie, when I get the coffee, I'm gonna drink it.
Tong, tong, tong. It's at. No, go away. This is my coffee.
I will do it. Oh no.
5.
Joy,
I'm drinking the coffee in front of him.
give it.